Hello friends, I am Shivanand Mishra, librarian, Kendriya Vidyalaya IFCO Gandhidham, Gujarat, India. I am a central government school librarian since 20 years. I have various kinds of experiences in school library automation and digital content creations. Today, I am particularly going to discuss with you about the sharing feature of the Wakelet. Here we will see how we may copy a collection. So let us start. I will only confine this discussion to the Android app of Wakelet. Here I am opening my Wakelet app. Here I am in my home, that is in collections. You may see my all collections here. Since we have to discuss about the sharing feature of the collection, hence we have to choose one of our collections for this purpose. I am taking this one. I will open this collection, Wakelet manuals. Here I have kept PDFs and videos prepared by me regarding about the Wakelet various aspects, such like collection creation, space creation, section creation, how to group import, and latest my video about the bookmarks. Suppose I have to copy this collection to one of my another space. How may I do this? First of all, you have to share this collection with somebody else in any platform. Here I am using WhatsApp. On WhatsApp I will share this collection to one of my friends or any WhatsApp group. I am going to share this in my Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan librarians group here. I have already shared this one. After that, I will open this collection not using Wakelet, by using Chrome. I am opening this one. Here, this one is asking the option, open with Chrome or view collection, that is with Wakelet. I will use Chrome, not this, only this. Just memorize the step. Share the collection with anybody else, anywhere, on any platform. If easy, it's easy for me, hence I am sharing this one on Wakelet, WhatsApp. After that, open this using Chrome. After opening this one, I will show you. See here, 3 dots I have clicked. We are getting the option of analytics, move collection. Move collection, that means from one place to another place, one collection, one platform to another platform, or from one space to another space. You may move any collection. Change visibility, that means from public to private, unlisted, or private to public, unlisted, like this. Share, invite, and delete collection. But see here, there is no option of copy collection. Hence, we will go into the edit mode by clicking on this green pencil. Now my collection is in edit mode. I will utilize this one, left hand side corner, upper side, left hand upper side corner icon. This one is icon of settings. Here I will open this one. I have already opened. You will see here 4 options. One for appearance. By clicking here on change background image, you may change the background image of the profile or collection. This collection. Here sharing. This one I will use. Copy collection. This is not active. I will activate this one by simply clicking here. From white to green. You may, in collaboration, activate this one, contributor CDT items, and anyone who is collaborating with you on Wakelet, that means if you are inviting your contributors for any collection, they may not only add items but they may edit the items too, if you are allowing them from here. And last one is the delete collection option, if you want to delete this collection. Here I have already activated the copy collection option. I am just closing this one, and now option will arise. Just simply click on done. Copy collection option will arrive here in 3 dots. Click on 3 dots. Here after analytics, a new option copy collection has arrived. By simply clicking on this one, you may copy this collection in any space which you have already created, or in the same space that is on this one first by default menu 2. Hence use this one and see copy collection here. This one is the name of the collection, Wakelet manuals. You may change the name of this one. From here it will be copied in this space already. That means my first one, Shivanand Mishra. If you want to change this one and opt any another space which I have already created, you may do this one. I will change this one. I am putting this one in this. Simply opt any space where you want to copy this Wakelet totally with all the items. Click on the copy. A message will arrive. Copied successfully. See here with tick, green background message. That means this collection has been already copied in the space where I want to copy. Now I will see this one. I will go from here. View spaces. Here. See, here this collection has been already copied. See this one. This collection has been already copied in this space. Hence, it's a very good option provided Wakelet to share your collection with one space to another space. By move collection also, you may move your collections from one place to another place. These two options are very good provided by the Wakelet. Hello dears, today I have discussed about this sharing or copy collection option. In another video, I shall talk to you about any other feature of this Wakelet. Amazing tool, marvelous tool, and very user friendly. Simplicity and its user friendly approach both will make it hit in all over world in this arena, in this pandemic of COVID. Thank you. Thanks a lot to all of you for watching this video.